satellites and no home point. There should be a song about that.
Oh shit, there comes that helicopter.
Yep. Yeah. Pity couldn't get a shot of the both in the sky at the same time. The fabled black helicopter plus your Mavic. Assuming that was probably a police chopper. Yeah? Madness drone. This was the first flight since I'd had crash on the beach further south and scattered bits and pieces all over the beach when it came down quickly. In particular, the battery I'm using I retrieved from a couple of small boys who were playing with it in a saltwater pool. So I let it dry, wiped it off. It seemed a bit funny when I first plugged into charge, but it seemed to come up to full charge, so here I am up in the air with it. As it turned out, everything went really nicely. So this was the sort of orientation flight, so you can see the TX03 FPV camera in the feed, and the second flight, where I think I did a better job of flying over the terrain, I'm going to put up a bit later as a cinematic effort. So this will just give a bit of feel, and the nice thing was the black helicopter stayed away, so no worries with this flight. I flew out until I got a range warning. Now I think I could have probably gone quite a bit further. That's something I'll need to do a bit more work on, but I was pretty happy with how it went and how far I went. And by the way, the fence that you'll see is an old oil refinery that was decommissioned years ago. Still issues for contaminated land, and that's why the fence is still there, and the government's keen to keep people out, in case you're wondering. So here we go. Bye for now, enjoy flying.